starting now?
Yeah, I mean this is the start. You guys, it's finally Friday. It's the Friday before Memorial Day. My goodness, we are loaded up, and it's been like a 2-day adventure getting like 5 people, enough stuff for a weekend of like cold to hot to dirty to clean and everything in between. Getting all the buggies. Jake and his family are here again. My family is inside, and we are headed to Little Sahara State Park in Oklahoma. It's 1,600 acres of sand dunes, and yeah, it's gonna be a trip, you guys. It is absolutely beautiful right here right now, but where we are going, it's like floodwaters or something. If you've been watching the news, yeah, it's been a mess. But it is the dunes. They said that, you know, obviously it doesn't hold any water, so we're gonna rock that out. Yeah, my oldest daughter, Skylar, is going on this trip, you guys, and not only is Skylar going, but she will be joined by her boyfriend. Dude looks like Brad Pitt. Well, maybe not looks like Brad Pitt, but he has like a river runs through it, Brad Pitt hair. We are about to hit the road. It's gonna be about 5 hours to get there without any flooded road detours. So we're gonna see how that goes. Got some toll roads. Lots of interstate, pretty much a straight shot until we get close, and then we head due north. So over there's Jake, and he's loaded up, sand tires on. Big shout out, you guys, huge shout out to all my sponsors. You guys will see that MQC was awesome enough to send me a frame of the new XR, you guys, the Fusion XR, the long range dead cat style, more cinematic frame. And I'm super stoked to like bust that out in the desert because I think that's a perfect spot. We are gonna load up. Let's load up. Not an orange.
Daddy,
bye.
Daddy, what?
Hannah. Huntington.
Huh?
Skylar. Jackson with his Brad Pitt hair.
Hi guys.
Kevin!
Hunt, tell them what we're doing.
Sand dunes.
Sandy. What do you want all these for?
Wow. You gonna start it off, Hunt?
Start the vlog. Welcome back to my channel.
No.
What are we doing?
No. I'm not doing that.
All right, Jackson, you do it. Sky. No, not doing it.
Come on, you wanted to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're in
This
the
is-
middle of nowhere in Oklahoma.
This is just you talking to your friend, not this. That's just for framing. So you look at this. And don't even look at that. Come on.
pretty good stop.
All right, so
Good facilities.
everybody,
Space.
everybody's embarrassed and scared, but we are, I don't even know, past Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, past there, past all the flooding. I didn't get it, but we went over that river. I'll try to post a picture or something about it, but it was pretty crazy. A bunch of houses underwater. Yeah, no rain so far. So far so good. Get some fuel, use the restroom. Now it's time to keep going.
See some cowboys.
Yeah, we're kind of confused on what's going down next to us, but the situation's getting worse.
Oh, we got people hanging out of the car. We got
There's like a midget in the back seat.
say midget.
There's nothing wrong with saying midget.
Small person.
There's a midget in the back seat. Okay, if you're like 3 foot or below, you're a midget.
I couldn't tell if it was like a man-child.
Yeah, we're going this way. So we're continuing on to Little Sahara. My wife's just cracking herself up over here in the passenger seat.
Oh man.
I don't even know what you're laughing at.
Guys.
Oh,
He barely has a head above the
she
car.
said I was being rude, and she called him a midget man-child.
No, I didn't say midget. That was your word. You did call him a man-child.
Man-child. All right. On that note, hey. Okay, that was a little bit rough.
Ow.
You already have it.
So we got a torrential downpour going on right now.
I don't.
It is what that is.
I did, but how?
Can't see in front of me.
How? Play now.
But yeah, not even like.
Where's the shoulder of the road? I don't know.
I just had sunglasses on, and so I didn't have a glare, and I could see the car in front of me.
It's busy, bud.
But I think we're gonna wait it out for a minute.
Glad I didn't drive.
No joke. So we have made it out here to the dunes, you guys. I'm sorry for the lack of setup footage, but with the rain that's been moving in and the torrential downpour that we got stuck in earlier, figured we'd go ahead and get the tent set up. Got both buggies out, kids rolling around. I'm gonna have to get my kids one of these mini RZRs. They just look too fun for them. But man, it is a beautiful evening, you guys, out here at Little Sahara. This is 1,600 acres of staked sand dunes. And there's the entrance right there. So hit that pole with your flag, that clear you to go. And 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, this place is open. And there's all kinds of like, there's everything. Kids, rail buggies, dune buggies. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. There he is.
I'm getting new shoes.
Yeah. All right, so the sun's going down on the first evening here. Hunt, man, is excited because out of all places, we're headed to the closest Walmart to go ahead and pick up food, shoes. Jake needs a flag so we can actually get out onto the dunes. His flag didn't come in, and then his light whip is not tall enough. So that's on the agenda tonight, is to get out and actually do some riding. First, we got to get some food. I don't think anybody has eaten. It's turning out to be pretty beautiful, actually. Got an awesome sunset to the left. Crazy rain looks like to the right. And we're just in the middle of it.
Tents are set up.
Yeah, the tents and everything. Base camp's looking good. Base camp is done. So yeah, we got some lights and some tiki torches, and it just looks hilarious. So I'll definitely be showing you guys around that later on. But first, I gotta get some food. Haven't eaten anything.
No.
Nothing.
That's chips and candy.
Some wavy lays.
Wavy lays.
Turn off my lights.
Hey.
I see it.
No way. Okay.
Lincoln.
Yes!
Yep.
Lincoln, come back. Just right here.
Oh my goodness.
I found my phone.
Yes!
That was brilliant, babe.
We're lucky we have signal, because if we didn't have signal, then
Yeah.
it wouldn't have worked.
Woo!
Hey, I've got a pouch.
That was amazing!
That's like one of the greatest feelings.
All right, so when you lose your phone in the middle of the desert, just turn off all the lights and call it.
And pray you have signal.
It lights up.
And another phone.